Hey, what's up? Salam to you all and welcome to my channel. So yes guys, today get ready with me is clean girl. Yes. So today get ready with me, clean girl. Yeah. And it's something like clean girl and how exactly look like clean girls. Uh, I'll show you today and yes and यस तो वो जो भी मैं करूँगी वो चीज़ आप एवरी एवरी सिंगल आउटफिट और यू कैन वेयर दिस क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप लुक you can wear this and you can go anywhere after wearing this clean girl makeup look. So let's go and let's see how it's look and yeah, let's go. So so you have to use first toner according to your skin type. Yes. So yes, and toner is must. Okay. और आप अपनी स्किन टाइप के अकॉर्डिंग यूज़ करोगे टोनर एंड यस एंड हियर यू कैन सी you can't use any this finger or something dry करने के लिए. So you can do this or you can use a fan. Okay, the mini fan. Oh. You can see the glue. Okay, और अच्छे से ड्राई करने के बाद यू विल अप्लाई मॉइस्चराइजर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन टाइप. क्योंकि द क्लीन गर्ल इज एक्चुअली अबाउट दिस थोड़ा सा ड्यूवी, थोड़ा शाइनी, ग्लोई and absolutely clean, like it's like no makeup. I don't have mini fan guys right now. Here I will use my cloth जो हम पहले यूज़ करा करते थे और अभी भी कभी कभी इमरजेंसी में जो यूज़ हम करते हैं सॉरी. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. एंड some this first the liquid sorry for the creamy blush. आवाज़ ही नहीं निकल रहा, मैं बोल ही नहीं पा रही. Okay, so is my all-time favorite, the shade. This is something what I'm going to apply. Okay. Yeah. ज़्यादा ही लग गया क्या? Blush. Okay, the brush. And what you guys have to do is just need to blend this with the help of बहुत हल्के hand से. Okay, and you can see this lightish pinky baby pink. It's like निकल के आ रहा है, you can see. Yeah, here also same. अगर आपको एकदम बहुत मतलब वो निखर के आए वैसा चाहिए एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू वांट समथिंग जो कलर है वो आपको दिखे बट इन अ वेरी लाइट वे, ठीक है। तो यू हैव टू यूज़, एंड द ट्रिक इज़ कि आपको अपना ब्रश बहुत हल्के हैंड से पकड़ना है, बहुत हल्का पकड़ना है, एंड यू हैव टू ब्लेंड ऑल्सो बहुत अपने हल्के हैंड से, नॉट, तो आप प्रेशर मत देना, ओके। सो तब आपका ये जो ब्लश है वो आपको निकल के आएगा, एंड यू विल गेट योर ब्लशी ब्लशी द वे यू वॉन्ट, या। सो दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन मिल सकता है, एंड या। सो नाउ लेट्स गो विद द पाउडर, या पाउडर। Now let's go with the powder, and it's very much important. Okay. Yeah, and you can see I'm also done with my powder. कुछ इस तरह, okay. Anyway, ये कुछ पाउडर गिर गई है, so now let's back to eye look, जो कि हम यूज़ करेंगे फर्स्ट कंसीलर, सॉरी मैं आईब्राउ यूज़ करती हूँ फर्स्ट, ओके। लेट्स सेटल डाउन, बिकॉज उसके बाद से आपको पता चलेगी, और यू विल लुक clean, like more clean, okay. And first brush, and I really love to do this eyebrows in a very natural, it's look like natural. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मैं डार्क नहीं करती, because I just want natural, yeah. And yeah, and look natural. And now I will use the concealer, yeah, I will use concealer. एंड आजकल गाइज ये बहुत चला है, क्लीन गर्ल क्लीन गर्ल क्लीन गर्ल मेकअप लुक. So I thought, why not try, or let's do a get ready with me fit. And yeah, so I was like, चलो करके देखते हैं, और let's share also, you know. So yes, I love doing makeup and I love you know, अगर आप प्यार दोगे तो प्यार मिलेगी, और आपको इतनी इंटरेस्ट आएगी गाइस, इतनी इंटरेस्ट आएगी आपको, एंड जस्ट ओके. पाउचर एकदम से लेके नहीं करना है, बैक ऑफ योर हैंड, उसके बाद से ऐसे डैबिंग मोशन पे. या and also I'm done with my powder. Now I'm going to do is what I will apply something very nudie, transition shade I can say, but that should be like very clean, that should be like very it's like according to my skin complexion, or sorry कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. I saw this look जहाँ से ये मैं देखी हूँ, and the girl, she is from UK, and I was like, let's try the clean girl makeup look for my audience. And I love very subtle, very clean, very एंड अभी के टाइम पे मोस्ट ऑफ द मेकअप, ये वाला मेकअप ज़्यादा चला है, और ये मेकअप ज़्यादा लोग को पसंद आ रही है, okay. And now I'm going to use my mascara, and my mascara is from PAC. I have more mascara, but what I exactly use is what I use is exactly this two mascara. This is from, I have many more mascara, और जो मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ, मेरे यूज़ में ज़्यादा है, वो है ये दो, ठीक है. एंड वन इज़ फ्रॉम पैक, ओके. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम ट्विस्ट लिफ्ट मस्करा, दिस इज़ फ्रॉम पैक, एंड दिस इज़ फ्रॉम स्काई हाई. This is Sky High mascara and Maybelline New York, okay. So I prefer this two more, and मैं मेरा यूज़ भी ये दो ज़्यादा है, मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. Now I'm going to use this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is something. And yes guys, yeah, and as you can see, I have not used any this concealer or something, but I will use only foundation. Yeah. मैं फाउंडेशन यूज़ करूँगी. And yes, you will have to wait for a time, ठीक है. जब तक आप अपने आई लुक कर लो, यू नो, एंड आफ्टर दैट यूज़ फाउंडेशन सो दैट इट एब्जॉर्ब और बहुत अच्छे से वो स्किन के साथ मेल्ट हो जाए और सेटल हो जाए, अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाए, ठीक है। तो you have to wait for, you have to wait every single mint in every single layer. Yeah, and exactly what I'm going to do and I'm doing. So in a very light way, there is more and more and more technique जो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Okay, okay, and there is way guys applying foundation, and and most of the people they don't know, and most of the people they know, and yeah. And you should know, if you are makeup artist, you should know the techniques, the skills, the everything properly. Not just course kar liya and everything's okay and I know everything. No, that is totally wrong. You have to know the skills, you have to know the ways, you have to know the things, the idea, the knowledge, the everything, every single thing, every small things and the big things, everything. That's very much important. How to wear foundation, how to wear concealer, the blendings, the ways, the techniques. अगर वो डार्क है तो हमें उसको कैसे लाइट करना है, न्यूट्रल करना है, थीम्स एंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, and slowly बहुत हल्के हैंड से you just need to blend your foundation all over your face. And I'm not going to apply guys any concealer because the foundation is enough. Yeah, you can see my look. Yeah, and I'm done with my also foundation. Now I know everyone's will going to ask or something, after applying powder how can you use the foundation. But yes, you guys can use, there is a way, there is a technique you can use. You can use guys this foundations before also doing like you can use this foundation after powder. You guys can do this. Yes, मैं बताई थी आपको that you guys can use the this foundation or something before powdery, or you have to use the single line something. But yes, now I come to know that we guys can use the uh, foundation like after powder. If you really want to know, you can comment me for that and I will make a video, but you have to comment me for that. Yes, again packed powder, but halka halka, not much more. If you really want to know the tricks or things, then you guys have to comment me for that so that I can bring it for you. Then I will also come to know now that my audience is really active for that. Okay, let's back to now blush. Yeah, and what I'm going to do is now blush the peach pinkish. Yeah, I will use a peach one. Yeah, and not harsh but light, because exactly what I'm going to do is here. It's clean good, and I'm not going to apply more much. you know, I think it's enough. I think this is totally enough. Yeah, and this is what exactly I want. Like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Also done with my blush. Now I will apply this my highlighter, all time favorite, जो सबका favorite, मेरा नहीं सबका favorite होता है. Yeah. And for that I'm going to use the brush with the help of, yeah, this is something. Yeah. Yeah, you can little bit add a blush on it here. Yeah. And now what I'm going to do is सबका फेवरेट लिपस्टिक जिसके बिना मेकअप अधूरा है, अधूरा, अधूरा. Yes. And now I will apply that. Now I will apply gloss. Gloss. जल्दी मिलता ही नहीं है कुछ भी ढूंढो, कुछ भी ढूंढो गाइस, नहीं मिलता जल्दी. That is so true. Yeah. And yes, so here I'm done. Let's apply. ये तो खत्म ही होने वाला है. Yeah. Oh my god, it's too late. And yeah, so yes, this is something so yes, I'm done with my look, as you can see. And yes, and you guys can comment me below और कैसा लगा कमेंट करके बताओ. And yes, and suggest me if you want something more clean girl look, something more different on it. And yeah, so yes, so again I'll be back with another video, and till then, bye and see you in the next video.